What's up everyone, it is Thais here. So today I will be showing you how to wrap your silk press up for bed. So what I do is start with a horizontal part. So you don't want this part to be too long. You just want it to be about 3 inches in length, right in the middle of your head. And you do want to use a rat tail comb so that you can define this part. This is going to make it very easy for you to wrap it. So afterwards you want to detangle your hair. Make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled. Use the smallest comb that you have access to. As you can see, I'm using a rat tail comb because I want my wrap to come out as smooth as possible. So the smallest comb is key for keeping your hair nice and sleek so that you can prolong the shelf life of your silk press. So I'm just detangling my hair, combing it down. Make sure that you comb it down, going into a circular motion. The front should go towards the face, the back should be combed towards the back, and the sides should be combed towards the sides. So you are combing away from that part. Now you are going to go into a curvature motion in the front. So you're just doing this piece by piece. You want to curve that hair around. Make sure that you are combing down away from that middle part. As you can see, I am combing it going around towards the back, and now I'm moving on to another section. I just take a clump of hair, comb it around into a circular motion away from that part. Comb it in the back. Make sure that the hair is always combed away from that part in the middle. Now I'm taking another section. So doing this in sections is key. It's going to make it a lot easier. And I'm just following the same step, combing down and around, going into a circle away from that middle part. Don't worry if your wrap is falling out of place. Just keep going. And now I am doing the back section. As you can see, for the back I'm going around. So I'm combing down away from that part, and then I'm focusing on going around towards the bottom of my head versus towards the top, as you can see, so that I can keep that hair away from the part. So I'm just going in a circle motion. So your hair should start to look like a little tornado going on there, but it should be flat at the top. So you want to keep doing this. This is going to take a while. Just keep combing around into that circular motion. Use a comb. You want to switch over to a brush afterwards. You can even switch over to a smoothing brush if a detangling brush is just too loose for your hair. A smoothing brush would definitely make it a bit tighter, or a lot tighter than a detangling brush. So as you continue to comb around into a circle, your wrap will begin to feel tight and secure without using any bobby pins. It will start to feel snug towards the head and form into the shape of that head naturally without falling down. So now to secure my wrap, I will be using a satin scarf. So you want to fold it into a triangle, and then you want to wrap that scarf from the bottom up, and then you take the 2 ties that's on the scarf, and then you want to bring it around the head and then tie it in the back. So once you have the back tie, we are going to deal with the front. So you should have a little piece sticking out in the front, and you want to make sure all of your hair is secure under that scarf. So I'm just pulling it down and pushing that hair going around in that circular motion so that I can keep the form under that scarf. Once all hair is tucked away, you want to take that tip and wrap it up under the folded sections, and it should look like this. So now we are going to be twisting that scarf in the direction that you wrap your hair. This is key so that your wrap can be fully formed and secured in that position while under the scarf. So for extra protection, I will be covering with my Humble Glow bonnet, because sometimes mistakes do happen. Sometimes you wake up and your scarf may slip back, especially if your hair is super silky. So just for the extra protection, just in case the scarf slip back, I just put my bonnet over it so that I know, okay, it's not in the wrap anymore, but at least I know my hair isn't getting frizzy and dried out, just in case that happens.